Hello traders, welcome back to DerivNavigatorAcademy. In today's video, we'll be looking at the difference between Forex trading and binary trading, okay? I know these two seem confusing to a lot of traders, so in this video, we'll be clarifying it and providing full information pertaining how they are different, okay? As you can see, today we are using a very good document. This document has been created by DerivNavigatorAcademy to help traders understand the fundamental differences between Forex trading and binary trading, okay? So let us begin without wasting any other time. Now, first of all, Forex trading and binary trading are two different types of trading. Okay, so first of all, what is trading? Trading simply means buying and selling with the aim of making a profit. Okay, that is the basic meaning of trading. But in financial markets, you buy or sell assets like currencies, commodities, or stocks. Okay, think of it like a shopkeeper buying goods at a low price and selling them at a high price. All right. Two of the most common types of trading are now Forex trading and binary trading. Both of these types of trading offer opportunities, but they also involve risks. Okay. So it is important to understand how each works before deciding which one is right for you. That is why I want us to discuss this, because it is important for you to understand both of them so that you might end up choosing the one that you feel works or is for you. Now, what is Forex trading? Forex, the meaning of Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. That is the meaning of Forex, okay? Forex trading is the act of buying one currency while selling another. All right, currencies are traded in pairs. That's why you can see something like Euro USD, which means Euro against the US dollar. If you believe the Euro will become the strongest or will become strong against the dollar, you buy the pair. If you are correct and the Euro rises, you proceed and make a profit. That is basically the fundamental basic of how the Forex market works. Okay, if you have Euro USD, all right, and you predict you predict that Euro will become stronger than USD and the market for Euro rises, you end up making a profit. Okay? As you can see, the market type for Forex trading is currency exchange market, where currencies are traded in pairs. The profit potential in Forex trading, it is unlimited. All right? It depends on how much the currency moves. There is no limit on how much profit you can actually make in Forex trading. Okay, it depends on how the market or the currency moves in the market. Now, the risk factor. Okay, the risk factor in Forex trading is high due to volatility and leverage. We'll be covering this. Losses can be bigger than your amount. That is very true. All right, yeah, losses, as you can see, profits do not have a limit. The same applies to losses. You might actually incur a bigger loss than your account has, than your amount. That is very possible. So that is one thing to consider. Duration. It is very flexible. You can trade it. You can put a trade that you can run for minutes, hours, days, or even months. Some people put a trade and they hold it for even 6 months. Okay. So as you can see, its duration is very flexible. Okay. The trading style for Forex trading involves analysis. Okay, it involves charts whereby you can use a lot of technicality, and it also uses news and events. Okay, you can use news and events to trade. All right, that is why you usually see some people waiting for news before they trade. You can use charts whereby you can apply your technical analysis, and you can also you can either apply technical analysis or fundamental. Fundamental is whereby you use news, but technical analysis is whereby you use charts. Okay, now you buy example. You can buy the Euro USD at 1.1000 and sell it at 1.1050. This 50 pips difference is your profit. Okay, the difference between your entry and your exit, that difference is the pips. That 50 pips difference is your profit. But if the price goes down instead, you make a loss. Okay, we'll be covering more of this, so please ensure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever you upload new videos. Okay, now beginner tip: always start with a demo account and never risk more than you can afford to lose. And this is something that I've insisted again and again in every video that I've made. Always test out every new strategy, every new test on your demo account, and use it wisely. All right. Now, what is binary? You have looked at Forex. What is binary? Now, binary trading is much simpler. Okay? You predict whether the price of an asset like Euro USD or gold or oil will go up or down within a fixed time. That can be 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, etc. Alright, but guys, binary trading mainly focuses on things like synthetics. Okay, but we'll be looking at that, so let us proceed. Alright, now if you are right, you win a fixed payout like 80. In binary trading, there is nothing like unlimited profits. We have a fixed payout. Okay, yeah, that is why you find something like even odd has a fixed payout, or let's say of 95% or 80%, and it is fixed. Okay, if you are right, you win a payout or like 80%, but if you are wrong, you lose your stake. It is called binary because there are only two outcomes: win or lose. All right, binary means two. Okay, that is the essential meaning of binary in the dictionary. Two. All right, that is why it's called binary. You either have the outcome of winning or losing, and that's it. Now, feature. Let us go to the features. The market type. Now, it is prediction based. It is a prediction based trading on whether the price will go up or down. Yeah, basically, binary trading is mainly built on prediction. That is why when you trade something like even odd, you are predicting whether the market will be even or odd. When you're trading matches, and differs, you're predicting whether the market will match or differ with a certain number. When you predict when you're trading over under, you're basically predicting whether the market will be over or under a certain digit. So it is purely based on prediction. That is why you're saying it is a prediction based trading. All right, it basically predicts whether the price will go up or down. All right, profit potential. Binary trading has a fixed payout, okay? It usually runs between 60 to 90 depending on what you're trading. When you trade something like over 2, you get a profit of about 9%, all right? But basically, its profit is fixed, okay? The risk in binary trading is very high because it's all or nothing, okay? You either win or lose everything, all right? Yeah, so that is one risk about binary, all right? Now, when it comes to Forex, when it comes to its risk, okay, the risk is higher, but you can actually make you can save your account from actually blowing it by closing early. All right, now when I predict even or odd, I'm not given a chance to close the market if I see that it will not become odd. No, when I press even and the market does not become even, I lose everything. But in Forex, when I predict the market will rise, let's say the market for USD will go up, and I see the market is starting to deflect, I can close my trade before I lose all my stake. So that is the difference. The risk in Forex trading is high, but the risk in binary trading is very high. But remember, and note, the risk is high in both. It's just that one has a higher risk than the other. All right? Now, the duration. The duration for binary is usually short, okay? In binary, you can trade from seconds or from ticks to a few hours. You cannot hold a trade for more than a certain number of hours, okay? It's not like Forex whereby you can hold your trade for even months. That does not apply here, okay? The trading style. The trading style in Forex, in binary trading is mostly based on predicting direction, and it does not involve a lot of deep analysis. Okay, in binary trading, most markets under it, let's take an example of volatilities. They are purely driven by algorithms. Okay, so you cannot do any deep analysis because the way the market was yesterday is not the way it will become today, or is not the way the market will become 5 months from now. You know, Forex has a certain level of consistency, whereby you can even use last year's markets to just predict how the markets will be moving 2 years from now. Okay? Yeah, so that is one risk about binary. Now, example, you can predict USD will rise in the next 1 minute. If it rises, you earn 80% profit, but if it falls, you lose all of your stake. That is why you are saying it is all or nothing. You either get all your profit or lose all your stake. Okay? Beginner tip. Always use licensed brokers. Many binary brokers are unregulated and risky. That is why I will always recommend Deriv.com. Deriv.com is one of the best trading sites in the world. And this is a secure site that you don't have to worry about it. So if you have not created an account, click on the link in the description. Immediately you create an account, you receive 30% bonus on your deposit, and I'll give you 5 free bots of your choice. All right, so please guys, ensure you use licensed brokers, and I recommend Deriv.com. Okay, now let us look at the key differences as we end up this video. Aspect: profit potential. In Forex trading, the profit potential is unlimited. All right, whereby it depends on market movement. Sorry for this error. But in binary trading, the profit potential is fixed. Okay, it is fixed. It cannot be more higher or lower than a certain point. When it comes to risk, the risk in Forex trading is high. It depends on leverage and volatility, but the risk in binary trading is extremely high. It is all or nothing. Okay? Now, duration. The duration in Forex trading is flexible. It can be short to long term. You can hold it from seconds to months. So it is very flexible. But in binary trading, it is mostly short term. All right? Complexity. What is the complexity? Okay, the complexity in Forex trading is it is quite high because it needs chart reading and deep analysis. But in binary trading, it is simple. Okay, it is basically a yes or no prediction. It is for you to know how you can do this effectively and efficiently. And that is why in this channel, we have provided a lot of strategies in which you can accomplish this. So once again, please ensure subscribe and check out our videos so that you can at least see the strategies you can use to make your predictions more accurate. Okay, the market size. Forex trading is the largest financial market globally. Okay, globally, Forex trading is the largest market, but binary trading is a bit smaller and less regulated, unlike Forex trading. As I've said, Forex trading mainly involves currencies, so it is very, a lot of people are in it, okay, and the regulations are quite high, and that's why it's the largest. But in binary, it's quite smaller, okay? Now, which one should you choose as a beginner? If you like learning, studying charts, and you are patient, Forex may suit you. I repeat, if you like learning, studying charts, and you are patient, Forex might suit you. And it might give you more control and flexibility. But if you prefer something simple and fast, binary trading might look attractive, but remember it carries a much higher risk of losing your money quickly. Okay, both of them are very viable markets. But if you could be patient, you can learn Forex and trade it. All right, but if you basically looking for a simple market to learn and trade, binary is there for you. But remember, it carries a higher risk. Always put that in your mind. Okay. Now, tips for beginners: start with a demo account before using real money. Okay, always start with a demo account, as I've always recommended. Risk only small amounts per trade, 1 to 2% of your account. Okay, avoid trading when emotional or stressed, as I've always insisted for those who have been watching my videos. Okay, always learn risk management techniques every day. Ensure you learn a different risk management technique that will prevent you from actually blowing your account. Okay, and then choose only trusted and regulated brokers. That is why I'm recommending Deriv.com. Click on the link in the description to deposit and get a bonus of 30%. And actually, I'll give you 5 free bots once you prove to me that you have created a new account using my link in the description. Okay, and another thing, keep educating yourself. Learning never stops in trading. Learn something new pertaining trading every single day. In trading, the saying always learning, always earning works. Believe me, it works. Always keep learning. Conclusion: trading is exciting, but it comes with risks. Okay, Forex is deeper and better suited for those who want to learn analysis and grow slowly. Okay, binary is simpler but riskier. But at DerivNavigator Academy, guys, we encourage beginners to learn, practice safely, and make informed decisions. Guys, your trading journey should be about growth, discipline, and patience for you to become successful. Okay, guys, classes are ongoing. If you're interested in joining them, please WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. If you need amazing materials, both and documents, please WhatsApp me. And if you need this document for free, ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and then send that screenshot to the number in the description, and you'll get this document and 1 free bot. Okay, others, guys, thank you very much for watching until the end. Keep pushing, keep trading, and let us meet in the next one.